Hey everyone, my name is Steve, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Raycast Pinata extension. If you're not familiar with Raycast, it's an app for Mac OS that's similar to the built-in Spotlight feature. You can usually tap like Command or Control space, brings up a search bar, and you can search things like your files or apps to open. Raycast is like that, but kind of on steroids. Has a lot more built-in features like clipboard history, AI features, all sorts of things. It goes everywhere. And one of its best features is that it has an open developer platform. And so developers can use it to build their own extensions, integrating their own apps. And that's exactly what we did here at Pinata. We built a Pinata extension for Raycast that'll let you upload your files, view them, list them, delete them, copy the CIDs. It's really, really cool. Excited to show you how it works and how to get everything set up. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're gonna need is a Pinata account. You can get a free one at app.pinata.cloud. You can use the free plan to try out this extension. And once you get into your account, you're gonna need two things. You're gonna need an API key and you're gonna need your gateway domain. So to get the API key, we just click on the API keys page, click on new key right here. And here we go ahead and give it a name for what we're going to use it for. So we could say Raycast, and we could define its scopes. I'm just going to give it admin, but if you wanted to reduce the scopes further, you could absolutely do that. And just hit generate API key. Once you click that generate button, it's going to give you three things. It's going to give you the API key secret, and then the JWT. The JWT is a bigger, longer piece of text, and that's what we're going to use in Raycast. So you can click copy all just to put it somewhere safe, but in particular, we want to hold on to that JWT. The next thing you're going to need is a gateway. You could use a public gateway in this extension if you wanted to, but if you wanted something faster that can access your own files really, really quickly, the included dedicated gateway on the free plan or the paid plans is the way to go. And so you can go ahead and go to the gateways page, and you're going to see your dedicated gateway right here. All you need to do is just copy that domain, save it somewhere safe, and we'll use that later. The next thing you want to do is go to raycast.com and install Raycast. It is only for Mac OS at the time of this recording, so just keep that in mind. And once you've installed it, I would recommend going to manual.raycast.com, which is a nice page with all the instructions of how to use Raycast, get the basics done. Highly recommend you check that out before going too much further, just so you understand the basics of how it works. So once we've got all that set up, we can go ahead and open up Raycast with your designated hotkey. For me, it's Command Space. And we can go ahead and start typing in store. And this is going to be the extension store that we can download things from. There's lots of cool extensions here, and to find Pinata, we just have to search Pinata. It's right there. We press enter, it's going to show some details about the extension, all the commands included. Hit enter again, it's going to install it for us. Easy as that. So now to put in our API key and dedicated gateway, really easy. Let's just go ahead and search for Pinata and we'll get a command. And let's go ahead and hit list files. And here you'll see we just need to paste in our Pinata JWT. So let's do that. So we've got that in, and we also need to do our gateway. We do need to add in the prefix of https:// and then we just paste in that domain that we had earlier. Easy as that. Once we do that, we can go ahead and hit continue, command enter. And there we go. We've just entered in the list files command, but we don't have any files right now. So let's go upload a file. So we just escape to go back and just start searching upload file. Click on this. We can go ahead and select a file. I'm going to upload Penny here. And you can give it a name if you want. Pinata. And then just hit command enter to upload. And there, once it's uploaded, it's going to actually copy the CID to your clipboard. So you can go ahead and paste it somewhere if you need it. But if you don't need the CID, or you might just want to go look at the file on IPFS, let's go back to the list files command. So we go back to list files, and there we go. There's Penny the Pinata with the CID and the size and when it was uploaded. From here, we can either press enter to open the file in our browser, or we can do command enter to copy the CID again to our clipboard. Let's try opening it real quick. And there we go. You can see that it's using our gateway to open the file, which is very nice. And if for any reason that you need to delete a file, you can hit Command K and go down to delete file. And there we go. Also keep in mind that this does support uploading folders, so if you wanted to upload a folder instead of an individual file, you can do that here. That's it for this video. That's how to use the Raycast Pinata extension. It's really simple. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you have any thoughts, comments, or questions, leave them down below. Or if you have some ideas of things you'd like to see the Pinata extension, let me know. I'd be happy to look into it and see if we can add that in. Until next time, happy pinning.